Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your science teacher. I'm Shugufta Makbul. Please open your book of inspiring science and notebook also. Today we will revise question answers. Before revising, first of all, I'm going to tell you what date is today. CW Wednesday 13th January 2021. Our topic is We Need Air. Exercise number 1. Answer these questions. Today we will have to revise question answers that are given here. Before revising, I am going to revise main points of this lesson. Okay students, first of all, the main point of this lesson is we can't see air, but we can feel it. All living things need air to breathe. Moving air is called wind. Strong wind along with rain causing damage is called storm. When the air moves gently, it is called a breeze. When the air moves fast, it is called the wind. When the air moves very fastly along with heavy rain, it damages trees, crops, buildings, and many other things. People and animals can get hurt. Such a strong wind is called a storm. Air is needed for burning. Air is needed for burning. Without air, we will not be able to burn a candle. Air takes up space. Air helps to dry clothes. We need air to breathe. Living things cannot live without air. So we can say air is very necessary for us. Let's start question answers. Question number 1 and 2 has already been revised. Now today we will revise question number 3rd, that is written here. I am reading question number 3rd. Why does a football become heavier when air is filled into it? Let's see picture of football, a football full of air, a football without air. This football is full of air, and this football we can't see which is full of air. We can't see they have, we can't tell, and we can't see this one. This both of footballs are equal weight. No, this football has weight because of air. Air is filled into it. So we can say, look at this, air has weight. Air has weight. This football is filled with air. So that is why when a football becomes heavier when we filled air in it. So the answer of this question that you will have to write here, air has weight. Air has weight. You will learn and you can give answer to anyone. Air has weight. AIR, air, HAS, has, WEIGHT, weight. Question number 2nd is, write any 2 uses of air. You will have to give any 2 uses of air. We can tell there are many uses of air. We use air to breathe. We use air to lighting fire. We use air to move, to sail a boat. So students, let's see, after seeing picture and after seeing two uses of air, you will be able to give answer easily. We can write air is needed to breathe and to burn things. You seeing here? You can write any two uses of air. Air is needed to breathe and to burn things. To breathe and to burn things. Footballs, tires, pillows and swimming tubes are filled with air. Next one question number 5th. You are seeing that is here. Question number 5th is here. What is a storm? What is a storm? I told you many times about storm. This is picture of storm. What this thing is telling you, what is going on in this picture. You are seeing a tree is falling down. It is raining. Here is lighting. You are seeing, look at here. You can see heavy rain. This kind of air is called storm. This kind of air can uproot the trees. This kind of air can damage trees, crops, buildings. People and animal can get hurt from this storm. This is called storm. This storm is strong. Such a strong wind is called storm. So you are seeing it is raining. You are seeing it is raining, and this air is going to uproot the tree, and this is wind. When the air moves fast, it is called the wind. With the help of wind, this boy can fly. This boy can fly a kite. You are seeing this air, and you can see this storm. You check the difference. This kind of air can harm you and harm us. So you can write here, what is a storm? A strong wind is called storm. A strong wind is called storm. Okay students, today you will have to learn question number 3, 4 and 5 of this lesson. You will have to learn question number 3, 4 and 5 of this lesson. We need air. We need air. After listening this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.